Welcome to Rwanda Engineering Pod. My name is Tuyishime Andre. I'm a student in IPRC College. Today we are going to discuss about a class in PhP. And then I can consider a class, for example, as a person. A person as a class, or you can say a class as a classroom in school, or you can say the class is a school, or can say the class is a city. We can consider that things according to what we are going to do. But today, let me consider a class as a school. In class school, we have many things. We have students, we have lecturers or teachers, we have directors, but this school is a class, or is a head of all of that, and also the students and teachers are methods in that class. Let me go to the code and deals with code. We will understand it very well and we will understand how it works. Let me create a new file. I use Visual Code. Create a new file. My file, me save as htdocs, and let me go in tutorial folder and let me say school 1, and add the extension of .php as we know, and press enter. First, you see my school 1 is opened. First we need to open and close PHP, and come inside PHP. And the fifth thing you are going to do is to create a class. Create a class. To create a class, you use a keyword class, and then followed by the class name. Let me class name call it school, and open my class. Inside the class, we need to put the properties. Need to put its properties. In creating properties, we need to start with access modifier. We have many access modifier, but today we use the public, followed by property name. Let me call it dollar first name. Close it and create another property, public last name. Close the braces. Let me use these two properties. Then the third step after creating a class and give it the properties is to create a method. A method we use also public function. Write public function. Let me call it class B. We call it class B. open my method. Inside the method, let me return small letter term. Let me say my name is, put double quote and put concatenation dot, and we are going to call my properties. To call my properties, we need to use the keyword this keyword and put a minus sign, and put greater than, and then put my property. No, this minus and greater than, and put my property. My property is first name. First name, and put concatenation. Then I can put, for example, can put break line or horizontal line in order to display my name under the name, and put concatenation, and then put, also call the last name, use this keyword minus greater than, and write last name, then close my statement. You see here, I call my properties. To call properties, we use this keyword when we are inside the function. Then the last step is to create an object outside the class. Create an object. It is our fourth step. Let me call object, use this sign, and let me call it out, or call it mb equal new, then put the name of the class. Name of class is school. Then close. Then the fifth step, it is to initialize the properties to its value. That is the fifth step. Then to initialize, we need to use our new object create. MB, use this because you are accessing. Then put first name equal Twishime no, we close. Then also call last name MB, use this last name equal Andre, put comma, put semicolon to end the statement, Then the last is to display. The last step is to display the output. To display the output, we use echo. Then we put our object mb, and then access our function. Our function is class b and class. Yes, this is my class. As you see, step by step we create class school. This school holds the properties of first name, last name, and you create a method of that class. In the method we return the name and access the first name by using this keyword, and access also last name by using this keyword, and close our function here, and you create an object of that to that class. Here we close the function and class, and outside the class we create a new object called school as we have here, and we initialize the properties to its value. Here we call to the object, we call the first name and initialize it to Shime, and we call last name and initialize it to Andre, and the final it is to display the output, or to call the function to be displayed. Let me run my question and see the output. First we need to start XAMPP. See my XAMPP, Apache and MySQL. I think it is run, and come here, and this will report school. Missing school 1, school 1.php, and run my. You see there is no output here. What's the problem that caused to be no output here? Let's come to my code. As you see here, when finish to create my here, I create this and calling thus here, but let me remove this HR and see the output. Try save. Let me run again. You see my output is here. See this? My name is Twishime Andre. As you see here, I put HR, but it is not come here. When we want to put, can put it here. And put it here. HR, and save it. In order to save output, HR can't come here. When I run this, it means this, and it comes to the second line. As you see, my name is Twishime Andre. Thank you for watching. I want you to watch the next video. We'll see how to create this, or to make this program by using constructor, and see the difference between constructor, class with constructor, and class without constructor. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification in order to see all our videos. Thanks.